Welcome to this fabulous Craftsman-style home. It's ideally located on a quiet street, close to Tualatin High School, shopping, dining, and local parks. This exceptionally designed home is situated on a large lot with professional landscaping. Heading inside, you'll find a beautifully crafted interior with hardwood floors, high ceilings, a dual-sided fireplace, and premium molding. The chef's kitchen features solid surface counters, a gas cooktop, a butler's pantry, and plenty of storage. Elegant wainscoting frames the formal dining room. The main level guest suite or office has a convenient adjacent full bath. On the upper level, discover a sumptuous master suite with a tray ceiling, 2 large walk-in closets, and a luxurious master bath. This home of nearly 3,700 square feet has plenty of space with 6 bedrooms and 4 baths. You'll also find upgraded plantation shutters throughout. The covered patio is perfect for year-round entertaining with a warm fireplace and an outdoor kitchen. You can unwind in the hot tub and make memories by the fire pit with built-in seating. An exceptional home in a fantastic location. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.